बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू स्टेटस नेक्सस। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं मई 2025 के करंट अफेयर। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। शुरू करने से पहले मैं आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो काइंडली हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। इन May 2025, the military escalation between India and Pakistan began with an operation by India named was Operation Sindoor. Option B is right option. On what date in May 2025 did India and Pakistan announce a ceasefire after their conflict? तो May 10 is right option. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं, and that is the nationwide civil defense mock drills by India on 7th May 2025 covered how many districts? Right option is option C, 244 district is right option. The May 2025 suicide bombing of a school bus in Khuzdar killed how many people? Option C, 11 people is right option. In May 2025, what was the year-on-year inflation rate in India? Option C, 2.82 is right option. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं, and that is which of the following was the first time used in 2025 India-Pakistan conflict? तो both A and B is right option. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं, and that is Pakistan suspended which treaty with India in May 2025 as part of escalation? तो इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी जो है पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के दरमियान सस्पेंड हुई थी। नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास इंडिया जीडीपी ग्रोथ टू फिस्कल ईयर 2025 स्टूड रफली एट 6.2%. ऑप्शन बी इज राइट ऑप्शन. इन May 2025 द इंडियन इकोनॉमी वाज प्रोजेक्टेड बाय द कॉन्फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री टू ग्रो एट व्हाट रेट इन फिस्कल ईयर 2026? ऑप्शन सी 6.5 is right option. 6.5%. What name did Pakistan give to Day of Remembrance for the 2025 India-Pakistan conflict observed on 10th May? तो योम मार्का हक is right option. Option B, योम मार्का हक is right option. The drone strike in North Waziristan on 19th of May 2025 killed 4 children and injured others. What village was it? Hormuz village. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं, and that is which of these economic indicators for India in May 2025 was reported? Index of Indian production year-on-year growth. Option B 1.2% is right option. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं, and that is Pakistan closed its air space to Indian carriers in early May 2025. The closure was extended until which date for Indian aircraft as per public resource? Right option is option C, August 23, 2025. Option C is right option. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं. The May 2025 mock drills by India were officially code named what? Operation Abhayas. Operation Abhayas is right option. Option A. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास इन May 2025 वन ऑफ द की थीम ऑफ द इंडिया पाकिस्तान कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एनालिसिस वाज दैट इट चेंज द रूल्स ऑफ द गेम बाय डिस्प्लेसिंग व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वेपन्स? ड्रोन एंड क्रूज मिसाइल. ऑप्शन सी इज राइट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास which consulting firm pegged India's fiscal year 2026 growth at 6.7 to 6.9%? Option B is right option, Deloitte India. Next है what significant civilian or military event occur on 7th May 2025 across India relating to civil defense? Option B civil defense mock drill. Option B. Next question है हमारे पास during the May 2025 India-Pakistan conflict which multinational grouping called for maximum restraint from both sides? यूनाइटेड नेशंस इज राइट ऑप्शन. और इसके साथ टोकन क्वेश्चन आपको बताता चलूँ कि अक्टूबर 24 इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एज और सेलिब्रेटेड एज यूनाइटेड नेशंस डे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इन May 2025 the economy of India was projected to become a 4 trillion USD economy overtaking Japan according to the report. A major suicide bombing on 21st May 2025 in Balochistan targeted a school bus. Option B is right option. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं, and that is the escalation between India and Pakistan in May 2025 featured what new type of conflict element between two nuclear armed neighbors? Option B drone battle is right option. Which region had gunmen attacked on 22nd April 2025, triggering the May escalation. Option B, Pahalgam is right option. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं, and that is, what was one of India's diplomatic economic response to the Pakistan's escalation in May 2025? Option A, India suspended its own Indus Water Treaty. Option A is right option. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं, and that is, according to Barclay, in May 2025, India's fiscal year growth was projected at 7.2%. Option C is right option. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं, and that is, Pakistan's nationalism oriented observance following the May 2025 conflict designated for commemorating armed force is Yom Marka-e-Haq. Option C is right option. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं, and that is, the civil defense drill in India included stimulating blackout, air raid sirens and evacuation. True or false? That is true. Option A is right option. What was India's GDP growth for 2024 to 2025, which was cited in May 2025 comments? 6.5% is right option. Option B is right option. Moving to next question, and that is, the drone strike in North Pakistan in May 2025 involved which controversial killing? 4 children is right option. Option B is right option. Option B यहाँ पे आ गया. Next move करते हैं. What did the consulting from Deloitte call India's growth in May 2025? A reset before a rebound. True or false? True is right option. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं, and that is, in the 2025 India-Pakistan conflict, Pakistan launched its operational name what? Operation Banyanul Marsoos. Option B is right option. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं, and that is, which of the following was not an instrument of escalation in the May 2025 India-Pakistan conflict? Option C, submarine torpedo launch is right option. Next question is, what was the purpose of India's civil defense mock drill on 7th of May 2025? Option B, to ensure readiness for war-like scenarios amidst tension is right option. Next question है हमारे पास, what was the year-on-year growth of India's IIP Index of Industrial Production in May 2025? Right option is option B, 1.2%. Moving to next question, the India-Pakistan conflict in May 2025 was the first time the two used what type of weaponized system? Drone swarms and drones battle. Option B is right option. Next question की तरफ move करते हैं, and that is, according to report, India by May 2025 was projected to become the largest world economy behind US, China and Germany. Fourth is right option. Moving to next question, and that is, the school bus bombing in Balochistan on 21st May 2025 occurred in which Pakistani province? Balochistan is right option. Next question है हमारे पास, which major international organization the Secretary General called for restraint in the India-Pakistan crisis in May 2025? United Nations General Secretary General. Next question है हमारे पास, what was the growth in GST collection for India reported for 2025? Right option is option B, 9.4. Next question is, which of the following best described the tone of analysis between the May 2025 India-Pakistan crisis? Right option is option C, a shift in rules of engagement with new weapons and doctrine. Next question की तरफ move करते हैं, and that is question number 40. That will be the last question of today's lecture. In May 2025, what decision did Pakistan make in respect to airspace? Option B is right option. It closes its airspace to India's carrier. Hopefully आपको आज का लेक्चर समझ आ गया होगा.